At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first Garcinia Cambogia supplement by Bulk Supplements is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. This product doesn't contain a lot of other ingredients, doesn't have a taste or smell, dissolves easily in a drink. Powder allows flexibility in how you take the product. Here are the cons. Doesn't come with a measuring spoon to help you determine serving portions. The Best Reviews bottom line. This powder can be mixed with your favorite drink or sprinkled on food. We rated this Nature's Craft Garcinia Cambogia supplement as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Comes at a price point that makes the supplement affordable to try. Users experience a suppressed appetite. Some people feel it helps with mood. Here are the cons. Occasional complaints that powder leaks from the capsules. The Best Reviews bottom line. This pill form of Garcinia Cambogia has a high portion of natural HCA at a low price. The next Garcinia Cambogia supplement by Attenuate is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Tastes better than other supplements. Comes in 3 flavors. Smooth and not harsh. Helps you get added water into your daily routine. Sweet taste. Promises appetite suppressant. Here are the cons. Contains a small amount of caffeine. The Best Reviews bottom line. An easy and flavorful way to get added benefits of Garcinia Cambogia into your diet. We rank this Smart Life Nutrition Garcinia Cambogia supplement as our 4th top pick. Here are the pros. Vegan and gluten-free. Easy to swallow. Helps users not snack and choose smaller portions. Does not contain a stimulant, but helps increase energy. Doesn't seem to have side effects. Here are the cons. This product should not be used by pregnant or nursing mothers. The Best Reviews bottom line. Product seems to work well when combined with diet and exercise. This Garcinia Cambogia supplement by Vitamin Bounty is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Also includes calcium and potassium. Helps stop cravings for snacks. No gluten. Doesn't cause users to feel jittery or upset stomach. Seems to work on belly fat. Here are the cons. Does not work quickly. Does not seem to work for everyone. The Best Reviews bottom line. This supplement does a good job of curbing your desire to eat between meals and doesn't make you feel on edge.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.